Finding the courage to change, keeping the forgotten promise. I was 5 years old and my mother was upset with me. I had been scolded and sent outside and was sitting on the broken concrete steps in the warm sunshine. The sun felt good. I searched my memory. Why was she upset? I had already forgotten. Behind me, from inside the kitchen, I could hear my mother releasing her angry energy by putting things away with a bang or a slam. In front of me, I could see spring bursting forth like magic right before my eyes. A fat, red-breasted robin landed and pulled a long worm right out of the grass. He looked at me, cocked his head, and flew off. He was amazing. How had he found that worm? A gentle breeze came by, and the beautiful spring flowers nodded their heads in agreement. It was amazing. The old sycamore tree in front of me was just getting its leaves. They were all different colors of spring green. I heard my mother again set something down sharply. I sighed. Why, I wondered, are grown-ups always so unhappy? Can't they feel the sunshine? Can't they see the flowers and the trees and see the magic of spring? Looking around at all the beauty and wonder that was right outside my door, I made a promise to myself. If that's what being a grown-up means, I don't want to grow up. I will never, ever forget how good it feels to be a kid. And then I grew up and I forgot. Fortunately, I met up with that little girl again today. I'm going to keep my promise to her and remember to look for the parade of good.